Guys, I'm wearing these right now after drying overnight, and they feel really good. I tell you, if you need some arch supports in your sandals, check out this tutorial because I definitely have arch support now. I was recommended by a physical therapist to put arch supports in my shoes. Now with these summer sandals like these Chacos, they have absolutely no arch support whatsoever. And you know, they're pretty expensive sandals. So I picked up these things. You can get these on Amazon or eBay. They've got the cutout heel portion here, and it's what they call a 3/4 arch support. They're semi-rigid. It's not like some cheap memory foam or something, but it's not hard plastic either. You can see they're kind of bendable. And fit those into your feet. And then I use shoe goo here. Swear by this stuff. And then put that on the front leading edge here along the rim, along the back of that heel. Those are the areas that are touching, and then put pressure on those. I'm wearing nitrile gloves because you do not want shoe goo on your hands. It's toxic and it's just nasty stuff. But it will hold whatever you're securing here in your footwear. I would order up a size if you're on the fence, because these products that come out of Asia are often sized, probably 90% sized on the low side. So I'm a size 10 and I've ordered a large. They could even be a little bit bigger at that point, but I think for what I'm doing here, the arch support hits the right spot. There really are not any good sandal manufacturers that really give an arch to people who have no arches. I mean, you might hear like Teva and other brands, or even Birkenstocks are better because they form to your feet. But even those really don't give enough arch for those of us who have absolutely flat feet. Much needed. Thanks for watching.
Feet will love you for that.
Oh yeah, my feet are loving me.